Please be advised of the disclaimers.
Hey, welcome back to my channel everyone. This is Sai with Pinnacle Trading here. We had a solid week this week with AAL Swing Trade. That's where I made a video where it said why I'm buying AAL again for another swing setup and more for a long-term investing opportunity, whichever one you want to take advantage of. So if you're new to the channel, I do a lot of stock trading, investing, swing trading, day trading videos, and also focusing on money management for long-term investing. So if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the like button on the video at the end. So right now, let's take a look at AAL. So that's American Airlines stock. Whether you're investing in this one or trading this one or any other airline stock, they're all going to be pretty much similar. The price movement might be a little bit different, but I'm mainly focusing on this one because I had a nice 105, 110% return on the last time we swung it from about 11 area all the way up to about 22, 23. So let's look at this right now. So Friday closed around 13, so which is pretty good. And when we look at the 5-day chart, we see that went all the way from about 10.7, 10.8 was the alert, went all the way up to 13.6. So from here to here in the after hours, when we had the nice news from Trump come out that he's supporting airlines, backing them up, we had about 25% return on the swing trade itself. So in just 3-4 days, we had about 25% return on that one. If you caught it at 10.8 and sold around 13.6, so should be pretty easy to catch about 20 to 25%, anywhere between there if you caught the alerts on time. So let's take a look at that in the chat room as well. So chat room is free for everyone to join. Link is going to be in the description below or on the website. So we had an alert at August 3rd where I alerted at 10.8. So I said that was going to be a solid entry. So I alerted this in the VIP alerts. If you're part of the course membership, you should have access in this. We got in a little bit early on this one, and then what happened, we added at 10.8 and kept averaging, adding below 11. And I'll show you why on the chart in just a second. So August 3rd, that was on Monday, so just about 5-6 days ago, went all the way from about 10.8, and you saw it went all the way up to about 12, 13, and 13.6 in the after hours on Wednesday. And we got news from Trump that I just talked about. So already 25% return on investment in just 3 days. So let's take a look at the chart. When we looked at this one last time, we saw a big support all the way down here at that 11 region. So what happened, that's where exactly it bounced off of. And if you watch that video where I posted this one right here, why I'm buying AAL again, watch that video if you haven't seen the price points on that one, if you don't remember them. And basically I alerted that the 12 region and the 12.5 were going to be the big regions, because we saw 12 resistance and we saw 12.5 resistance, and we needed that area to hold over 12.5. But we got a lot better than what we wanted, went all the way up to 13.6. I said we need some sort of breakout in the market, we need shorts to cover, we see volume coming in, and we also need news, any sort of news, airlines, whether it's from President Trump or anything else. And what happened, we got every single thing pinpoint, and we had a nice breakout. So when we look at the 5-day chart, we see a nice breakout all the way from the 12. As soon as it broke over 12, took out 12.5, and you see the big gap up. I'll zoom in right here. Broke over 12.5 and made that huge green gap up. So when I talk about these key price movements, they're very important. So just note them down, write it on a board, on a piece of paper, or just type it in the notes app on your iPhone or whatever it is. You can also set alerts on Thinkorswim platform itself. When I talk about these key price points, they're very important. So notice when it broke 12.5, made a huge gap up over there. And what happened when we go back into that, broke over 13 as well, went all the way up to 13.6 in the after hours that day. So if you have after hours trading enabled, if you don't, make sure to get platform like Thinkorswim or any other trusted platform, and you should be able to sell in the after hours after markets close. So that's basically it on this video. So we had a nice swing trade on this one so far. You could have taken profits. I'm still holding my position on this one. I'm looking about 14. I'm looking for 14 area to break and 14 to hold. I'm going to look to sell when it breaks over 13.6 again if we get there. If not, then I'll look to take some profits and then maybe add on the way down and look for another gap up later on. Like I said, I'm holding this in my long-term investment account as well, and I'm also swing trading this on the short term. So next key price points is going to be at 13.6 because that's a resistance resistance it went up to and didn't break over. And then we're going to look at 14. 14 is going to be the next big region that we want to look for. So I want to keep this video short, just a quick update on this one and just to show what we did so far this week in the swing trade setup. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe button on the channel. And also, if you want to join the chat room for these price alerts or the trade ideas that we have in the chat room, it's free to join. You can join using the link in the description or head over to pinnacletrading.us and you can scroll down here and click that button to join the chat room. And if you want to learn how to set up these charts, find these trades like I do before they go up, or also if you're shorting, find things on the way down, just to know how to chart and read the charts and how to take trades while using proper risk management. I have a course that I offer, so you can take a look at that in the course tab, see if it's right for you, and make the purchase. So again, thanks for watching. Hope this video helped you out. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and the like button, and I'll see you again in my next video.